share about the event that is organized by the Udbhavna Club.
So today in our Guru Jambeshwar University, a program was conducted by Udbhavna Club in collaboration with the CSR box. So I would like to make it clear that IBM is a big IT company, and that company has provided a platform on which more than 8,000 skill-based courses are there. So through CSR box, they are providing these courses to the students of this country, so that those students may upskill themselves. So in that series today, our keynote speaker from CSR box, she has come here and she has told all the students about the platform of this IBM Skill Build, and how to register on that platform, how to make use of all those courses available on the platform. And I am very hopeful that our students would be utilizing this platform. Last year also more than 200 students made use of these courses, and students were very happy with the courses provided by this platform. So I am very thankful to CSR box and its officials for collaborating with the university, and we have also signed a MOU also regarding that. So it is going to be very, very beneficial for the students of Guru Jambeshwar University. Thank you.
Hello everyone, my name is Sneha Goel and I am a core member of the Media Club. Today I am thrilled to be here at the IBM Skill Build program that is focusing on generative AI and LinkedIn for professional excellence. So this is organized by Udbhavna Club, and we have with us the key speaker here, that is Uzma Uruz. So without further ado, I would like to ask her about her experience at the session. So ma'am, could you please share your overall experience as a speaker in this session?
I was really thrilled when I attended the session today, when I participated and conducted a session for you all. I was not prepared for such a good crowd, such a good audience to attend my session today. It was really an amazing experience, students participating, interacting, especially in the first session when there were so many students. Apart from the students sitting on chair, there were students who actually attended by sitting on the floor. So that actually motivated, and that motivates any speaker who gives a session when there is a good crowd.
So ma'am, how do you feel the students responded to the skill build program? Like what did you expected and how was the actual response of the students?
So students' response was very good, especially for the generative AI session. And as I said, this also motivated me. So I also conducted and took some extra, added some extra points during the session. And I think the students responded well, because just after the session I saw the registration of the students on the Skills Build platform, and I was surprised to see such a good number. I have received around 200 from around 250 students, and that too there were some students who said that there was some network issues, so they can do it afterwards. So these numbers are increasing after every minute.
So lastly, do you have any final thoughts or advice for our students, or how they can make most of such skill building opportunities?
I believe it's really a wonderful opportunity. If I have got that opportunity during my college days, I don't know how many skills I would have gotten. But since it's now a trending thing to start learning everything online, so it's a good opportunity because it gives you a flexibility to learn new skills online, and you don't have to actually miss your classes, so you can do both. And I think all the students should learn and from various mediums, not only Skills Build but every other medium that they get, and make use of such opportunities. I hope they will learn a lot from IBM Skills Build.
Okay, so thank you so much ma'am for sharing your thoughts and insights with us, and it's been great to have you here, and we look forward to implement all these valuable advice as you have given to us.
Thank you so much.
Hello ma'am, may I please know your name?
Neha ma'am.
Okay, so hello Neha, so how was your overall experience here attending the session?
काफ़ी अच्छा एक्सपीरियंस रहा है मैम. मैं तो कहना चाहूँगी कि ऐसे ऐसे इवेंट्स है उसको अटेंड ज़रूर करना चाहिए. मेरे को पता नहीं था कि लिंक्डइन क्या होता है, आज काफ़ी पता चला है. रजिस्ट्रेशन करूँगी और जितनी भी एक्टिविटीज़ है वो भी फॉलो करूँगी।
ओके, सो व्हाट डू यू थिंक, अगर ये इवेंट कभी आगे कभी फिर हम ऑर्गेनाइज कराते हैं, सो विल यू कम अगेन एज वेल?
Yes, of course.
ओके, सो हाउ मच डू यू रेट द इवेंट आउट ऑफ 5?
4.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.
So hello Prajwal, so can you please tell what specific things you got to learn from the event?
There are a number of things that I learned from this event, like how to use LinkedIn and what are the implications of the AI in our business world. How can we improve our learning with the help of the AI? So there are a number of things that I learned with this workshop today.
Okay, so how was your experience and what feedback do you want to give?
It was great and a wonderful experience, and my feedback is that our TPSL is have to organize such an event in the future as well.
Okay, so how much ratings would you like to provide to the event?
After 5, above 4.5.
Thank you so much. Thank you. Hello sir, so how was your experience at the event?
I was like the event, and I have learned many things like the how to use LinkedIn, how to use AI prompts in my daily lives.
Okay, so any feedback you would like to give?
Yes, so this was a very wonderful session. I have learned a lot of many things.
Okay, thank you so much.
Thank you.
Hello, so what is your experience about the event? What do you feel कि आपको कैसा लगा यहाँ अटेंड करके event?
I think I learned a lot about this LinkedIn, and in this program I learned how to use the LinkedIn and how to go through this HR and
Okay, any one useful thing जो आपको यहाँ से सीखने को मिली, कोई ऐसी skill that you would like to share?
जो मेरे को यहाँ से स्किल सीखने को मिली है कि कैसे एक तो लिंक्डइन को यूज़ करते हैं, कैसे हम HRs वगैरह से मतलब बात कर सकते हैं, कैसे हम अपने कनेक्शंस को बढ़ा सकते हैं.
Okay, thank you so much for your feedback.
Get a batch, you have to complete the full module. If you want to complete small courses, then you will only get it after you complete your graduation or masters. But you will certainly get it if you already know what is the area where do you want to work. Here are few recommendations. That is what Narrow AI does. It has started reading what are your choices, what kinds of movies or docs for watching reels, posting photos. You are also active on LinkedIn because उसमें तो आपको इंटरेस्ट आता है, बट बाकी प्लेटफॉर्म्स में मे बी नहीं इंटरेस्ट आता है या फिर समझ नहीं आता कि उसको कैसे यूज कर सके. Okay, so we'll start with the easily and efficiently. So before that, I want to ask how many of you have a LinkedIn profile? Okay. Generative AI. You must have heard. Anyone who wants to classify it, explain it in a better way, or give examples. What is narrow AI and what is generative AI? Any example? And then he has to make images, posters, menus, and so on. Next. Also because since he's a CEO, he has to also look for the promotion aspect. YouTube videos जाएंगी, some short videos होंगे, promotion के लिए reels होगा. There will be so many things that he has to work on YouTube for promotion. And then the PPTs, of course. We have to make PPTs to present about the company, for the proposal and the meetings. So before 2022, these were the stress of a CEO. But after that, what happened? Next. He's dancing now. So that means that with AI, work बढ़ जाती है. Next slide. But with great responsibility also comes more work. That we also know. It's not like responsibility is more, so work is not there. Work also increases. Next. So much enthusiasm for attending the session. Really delighted to see you all here. And before we begin, I just want to know how many of you are currently using AI in your daily life?
Ma Saraswati is the source and the illuminator of knowledge. May Ma Saraswati bless us all.
ज्ञान और विज्ञान का जय घोष चारों
पूर हो विश्वविद्यालय गुरु जम्भेश्वर सिरमौर हो
and that's it. And then also we expect कि हमारा placement क्यों नहीं हो पाता है LinkedIn से, because we are not active. And कैसे active होना है आज हम लोग उसके बारे में discuss करेंगे, so that if like earlier what we used to do is that we listen to those and write the script and then add it in the video editing different applications, but now you can just easily upload the video and the scripts will be there. So there is another video and it will show how
Welcome to this tutorial on how to use chat.
You are registered on the platform. I will also show you how do you complete any course, how do you get a certificate, and for that we will do a very small course today. So that
practically, sir, to taking the initiative with help to students in their career growth.
highlight your achievements wherever possible. Next. How we can leverage LinkedIn for career advancement. So there are 4 stages. कि अच्छा ये तो वही है जो लिफ्ट में मिला था. आप कुछ ऐसा उसमें बोल दो जो 30 से 40 seconds में एक elevator pitch. Do you know what is an elevator pitch? Have you heard of this term? What is elevator pitch? Or elevators.
So much enthusiasm for attending the session. Really delighted to see you all here. And before we begin, I just want to know how many of you are currently